In this video, I'll show you how to appear anonymous on Google Docs. If you want to open a Google Docs file without showing your name, the important thing to know is that Google Docs does not have a setting that lets a signed-in user manually switch to anonymous mode. In Google's own help pages, anonymous animals appear when people open a shared file without being signed into a Google account, or when they were not individually invited by name. So if you are signed in with your Google account, your name will usually appear on the document based on your account identity. That means you cannot stay logged in and simply choose to look anonymous from inside Google Docs. If you want to appear anonymous, the file needs to allow link-based access, and you need to open it without signing in. Here's how that usually works. First, the document owner has to share the file in a way that allows general access, such as anyone with the link. If the file is restricted only to specific people, then you normally have to sign in with an approved Google account, and that means your identity is shown instead of an anonymous animal. So if the file does allow link sharing, copy the link, then open it in a browser where you are not signed into Google. You can do that by signing out first, or by opening the link in a private or incognito window where your Google account is not active. If the sharing settings allow it, you may then appear as one of the anonymous animals inside the document instead of by your real name. There is also something important to keep in mind. Even when anonymous viewing works, it does not hide the owner of the file. Google says that when a link to a file is shared, the owner's name and email can still be visible. So anonymous access is really for viewers who are not signed in, not for hiding the document owner. Another thing to know is that anonymous animals can sometimes appear for reasons that confuse people. Google says you might see them if someone opens the file multiple times, if a messaging service checks the link automatically, or if a browser extension or script follows the link. In work or school accounts, people inside the same domain may also appear by name rather than anonymously. So to appear anonymous on Google Docs, the document must be shared in a way that allows link access, and you need to open it without being signed into a Google account. There is no built-in setting that lets a signed-in user manually turn on anonymous mode. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.